Hello again, everybody. I just want to give you a word of caution before we proceed. Just so you know, this plant is poisonous, and I am not a doctor. Use with caution. As you see here, this is a tincture being made of a poke root using the chopped up root and 100 proof vodka of your choice. The finished product here in a dropper bottle. 1 drop of the tincture is equal to 1 dried berry. So if you are going to proceed, please proceed with caution. As you see, I do prepare this myself and I do use it. As you see, I store the dried berries in a Ziploc bag for use later. Here you see where the plant grows, what it looks like, usually on the edge of a woodland or in a recently cleared field. In the fall, I typically search for the berries, pick them, and once picked, I bring them inside and set them off to dry. As you see, this is quite red on the stalks. The leaves are green, turning yellow. If you look, you can see how it just kind of on the edge of a wooded area. This plant was actually found in my backyard. Typically you can find them throughout your neighborhood or in open fields next to your house. So here you go. What I use is simply a box and some wax paper. You can use parchment paper, or if you prefer, you could actually put them on a dehydrator sheet and dry them more quickly. However, I just set them out to air dry. It can take anywhere from a couple weeks to a month and a half, depending on the humidity in the area that you live. Once all the berries have been removed, typically set them aside and wait for them to dry. If you are going to start taking this, please make sure you start slow with 1 drop and see how your body reacts. Again, please start slow. Start with 1 berry or 1 drop to see how your body reacts. Now, some of the benefits of poke root, both the root and the berry. It is a tumor buster. It helps for abscesses, boils, and masses. It can help move the lymph system, which is primarily what I use it for, especially if I'm starting to get sick or anyone I know is getting sick. Start there, and that helps move the cold through your system much quicker. It's good for enlarged or hardened organs. It has some mild cardiac depressant qualities. It is a skin cleanser, good for eczema, dermatitis, or psoriasis. It promotes healthy kidney function. It increases bile and digestive juices. It does have anti-inflammatory properties. It's helpful in chronic and rheumatoid arthritis. It stimulates thyroid and adrenal function. And it is used in all cancers and HIV cases. So typically the root and the berry are used. As you see here, this is how I'm preparing the berries. The roots, I just chop them up and fill a jar as full as I can and cover it with 100 proof vodka. I will let that sit for a minimum of 6 weeks. Now, as I need it, I will slowly pour it off and put it into a dropper jar so that I can use it when I need it. Now, I have gotten to the point where I have used upwards of 20, almost 30 drops at a time. Now, another warning, you want to make sure that you do not use this product for more than 30 to 45 days at a time. It can cause damage, liver damage, if you use it too long. So that's how I use poke. Use it wisely and be healthy.